Lovely to see you all. We are doing a few more ideas for Sculpt. As you know, we've got a workshop on Thursday that Kelly and I are doing. So if you're interested in the Sculpt workshop, just comment Sculpt. Using this morning gliders and mini ball. I've just taught the lift lean Sculpt. This is the music. Now I have sped it up. It's a 50-10 and it's on lit 7. So maybe a bit quick, but let's go with it. Let's go with it. Okay, you could use a towel. I mean, you could use anything to slide on. You could be doing this in your socks if you wanted to. Okay, let's do a couple of little intervals. A few of my favourites. So hinge from the hip, lean forward. Now stabilise the rest of the body and just bring that knee in and out. There you go. We're going to stay on this side and then we're going to come up. Now, lateral, across, bring it in and then glide it back, in and out. So this left leg here, wow, we're feeling it. Come on up and then we're out again. Cross in front and then lunge it back. Stay low, bring the knee in, come in, do it again. So we're out, cross in front, again. Using the gliders. Again, just opens up a whole level of creativity for your program, for your exercises. Cross in. Okay, now you could do the other leg, of course. You would do the other leg. But I'm going to grab my ball. I'm going to use my step. So knees are slightly off. And I'm going to rotate and then through to the centre. So I'm on my tiptoes. And there. So again, this is a more advanced exercise for sure. Again, brilliant for the obliques, upper body. Then, so the shoulders stay still and it's the hips that are moving. Wow, that's a burner. And the quads are burning. Have a little go. See what you think. That's hard. Bring it in. Again, keep bringing the knees together. Try and squash the ball as you do this. 50 seconds. Come on, where are you? Again, just twist, and then back in, and then down. That is 10. Woo! That's a killer. Okay, coming back up to your gliders. Let me do the other side. A few different exercises to try. Let me step back. So this time I'm going to lunge back and circle around. Circle back, and then forward. So lunge, circle, circle, come on up. And then back again for 2. Do a combo. So back, circle, circle, in, and then 2 low. And then back up. Give this a try. Step back, circle around, circle back, bring it in, and then low for 2. Woo! So if you don't have access to weights, if you're in the community maybe, you've got a slippy floor, and you can do them glider work. I mean, this is it's a hardcore workout.
10 second rest.
There you go, V2. Okay, let's do something more simple.
Exercise 4.
So if I use the ball and just put the ball underneath my chest and sternum, I'm going to lift both arms, reach forward, bring your arms in, lower down. So lift, reach, bring it in, lower down. I'm going to hold it, extend the arms, back in, and then lower. So again, lift, reach, in, lower down. Good again, lift, reach, bring it in and down. Then we extend the elbow, push out, back in, and then lower. Lift, press, back in, release. Nice little posterior chain exercise there. Here we go, coming out. Then got to put this one in because I do, really love it. I want you to lunge across and then squat and take your arms up and squat in the center. So look over your shoulder there, and again, and do an overhead squat. One more, multiple planes, and then lunge forward, right, left, and again, left leg big lunge. Rotate your arms side to side. Good. One to the right, one left, the other way. Really rotate. Then again, cross over, arms up, cross again, arms up. And there you go. There you go. There's a few little ideas for your Sculpt classes. Morning YouTube. Thanks for joining in. I hope you enjoyed that, and it's given you just a few, maybe just a few ways you can mix mini ball, gliders, just again utilising whatever you've got, whether it's an activation band, whether it's yoga blocks. There's just so much creative programming that you can put together. Think about your 3 planes of movement. So whatever you do, whatever the movement is, can you do it forward and back, flexion extension, sagittal plane? Can you do it side to side, frontal plane? Can you rotate it? Try different angles, different speeds, unilateral, all the different things that you could change with one movement. That's the key. Anyway, going to be doing all of that on Thursday with Kelly. We've got 6 masterclasses. We're doing 30 minutes each and we're tag teaming. So I'll do 30, then Kelly, then me. Everything's recorded, and I'll link to all the details here in the chat, or just comment Sculpt and Manny Chat will send you a link. All right, gang. See you later. Have a lovely day, whatever you're doing. Shine bright and keep inspiring.